Hello and welcome back to the Cyber Hero. In this video, we are going to continue the cryptography series, and today we will discuss asymmetric cryptography. So let's begin. What we are going to see here, first introduction, some key pairs, how it works, some algorithms, digital signatures, so on. And last we will summarize this video. Please watch this video till end so all concepts will get clear. Let's begin without wasting any time. Brief introduction to the asymmetric one. Asymmetric cryptography uses two keys, a public key and a private key. Public key is used for encryption purpose and while private key is used for decryption. Public key is known to both and private key is for separate. It is a secret key. It's used usually for decryption. So here main two key pairs, public key shared openly, private key kept secret by the owner. How it works? Sender encrypts with the public key, receiver decrypts with the private key. What does it mean? For example, if you write here A, B, C, D, this is simple text. So you are the sender, you encrypt this with public key. For example, A, B, C, D will be converted into ciphertext. That may be X, Y, Z, so on. Then receiver, and you will send to the receiver. Receiver will take this message and he will decrypt with the private key. He will decrypt with the private key. Then he will decrypt X, Y, Z, so on. It will convert into the A, B, C, D. He will get the actual message. It takes time. Then symmetric one. What are the main algorithms here? RSA, DSA, ECC, and Hoffman. If you want a separate video on these algorithms, I can make a separate video on them. No worries. So, what are the digital signatures? Insurance authenticity, integrity, use private key, public key. Let me tell in detail what does that mean. Digital signatures. What does they allow us? Digital signature. Digital signatures allow us to verify who sent the message, that the message was not changed. These main things. Who sent the message, and the second one is that the message was not changed. How it works? Sender signs with a private key, receiver verifies with the public key. So, it's mainly used in emails, software updates, legal documents, blockchain. I hope you get it. If not, please let me know in comment section. Some real world application we will say here where it's asymmetric use it. HTTPS, it is a TLS, SSL tunnel, SSL certificates, email security, blockchain. So these are the main real world application where asymmetric cryptography is used. What are the limitations of these things? It's a slower, requires more computing power, it's not suitable for encrypting large data volumes. I hope it's clear now. Why? That is why systems often use both symmetric and asymmetric together. Example, HTTPS. Then we will summarize this video. Asymmetric cryptography solves the sharing issues and powers secure communication globally. Here what we discuss, the asymmetric cryptography which uses two keys. First one is public and private. Public is used by the sender and for encryption purpose, and the private is used by receiver for decryption purpose. That's it for about this video. If you have any doubt, please let me know in comment section. Thank you. See you in the next video. Bye bye. Take care.